Hey everybody, Carlos here, founder of Kraken Ops. Really excited to show you what we've been working on. Here's how it works. I'm inside a bid package and I'm going to upload the plans. This is a real project. I'm uploading a 6-page custom home. I hit analyze scope. That runs the plans through our AI for this set that took a little over 3 minutes that I fast forwarded through. What comes back is going to be a full scope breakdown, cited to the sheets it came from. Every section here, warnings, inclusions, exclusions, material specs, quantities, it all pulls straight from the drawings and notes. As we come down here to the material requirements, you can see that it shows us 4 categories here. So the item, the spec, manufacturer, and the section which you can find this specific item for in the plans. So you can always cross-reference it. As we go down, you can see that we're going to see a window schedule here. Now, the window schedule is going to vary by plan. Some plans that the architects give us will include a full window schedule with markings for each window, location, and sometimes dimensions as well. In this case, we don't have the dimensions in the spec, but we have everything else. You can see we also saw some additional information on the dimensions given to us. Then we also have special conditions that we can review, which include the insurance, any code compliance, any site safety and warranty, bonding, prevailing wage, anything like that that would be found on the plan. So as we go back up, we're going to go ahead and ask Poseidon. This is our plan assistant, and it has knowledge of everything on the analysis for these 6 pages. So as I ask it here, what is the roof spec? It's going to give me the roof specifications that it found in the drawings, and it's going to tell us where it found it, right? So you can see asphalt shingles, metal roofing, and soffit panels all came back. We're going to ask it a second question here, which is what is the siding spec? And if it has that information, it will come back to us with it. In this case, it has some information from the plan, and then it also gave us some additional culture stone veneer and water table cap information. Last question here, how many windows are there? Again, you guys saw the windows section and their schedule. So it's going to count all those up, and it's going to tell you here that the plan shows approximately 65 windows. So this is an AI estimate. It's not verified yet, so you want to just make sure that you guys verify that. The next step here is we're going to create a takeoff now. And you can see this takeoff took nearly 10 minutes, I'm sorry. It's going to vary again by how much information you have on your plan. As we look at the takeoff here, you can see that the unit type can be changed. You can click on sources and it'll give you the different sources that were used for these measurements. You can click on the architectural plan within sources and it'll open up a new window and you can review that on its own. And you can see that everything is pretty nicely separated here. Masonry, rough carpentry, finished carpentry. Pretty much everything is separated. You don't need everything. So the example I'm giving you guys here is for somebody that would do more than one trade at the job. If you guys are only doing, say, siding and roofing or drywalls, you can just do that and upload those pages instead of the whole set. Here we're looking at a red flag here, which you saw the windows glazing. It gave us an option of 61 or 55. I chose 55 because it made the more sense when it came to what it was saying to us, the information it provided as sources. So if we go to shingle siding here, we're going to look at the 2 sources again, and we're going to go ahead and verify this in the plan. So when we click that, within the CRM here, within Kraken Ops, it's going to open up our Plans Takeoff feature. And if you use Plan Swift or any other tool like it, this works the same way. So we're going to go ahead and scale our drawing quickly. We're going to select the area measurement. We're going to zoom in on here. And now we're just going to do this for a small part of the wall to show you how it works. So just going to go ahead and select the area. And of course, this is rounded. Couldn't have chosen just a straight rectangular or square area. But anyway, when you got all your points, you just double click and you save this. So you can call it whatever you want. In this case, I'm just calling it area 1, and then I'm creating a folder just called shingle siding. So we're going to go ahead and save that, and then we're going to verify it on the takeoff summary here on the right. Now you can see that I clicked save twice. We'll deal with that in a second, but first we're going to go ahead and deduct the window from the shingle siding. So let's just go ahead and click deduct, and it's that easy. So now visible, you can see the 45 square foot we're taking away. Here again, I clicked area twice, so let's just go ahead and delete one of those, and our net is about 116 square foot. So we're going to hit send net to takeoff item. And once we click that, it's going to update our bit package. So we're going to go back to bit package, select the right one here, go back to takeoff, and look for siding. And once we find siding, you see that the 4,500 square foot is crossed off, and now 115 is there. You can see that there's been an added third source now. Before it was just 2 sources, which is user measurements. Of course, that is not correct, right? 115 square foot is just a small section. I just did that to show you guys for the video here, for time's sake. Last thing I want to show you guys here is project facts. You can see project facts here. There's a lot of additional information that you guys can look at. All right, so thanks very much for staying on with me. If you guys have any questions, any comments, or if you want to try this, we are looking for a couple of contractors to do a pilot on this. This is in beta feature still, so please contact me. Thanks.